Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2011 Mercedes GL450 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these two buttons up and down on the right hand side, and we also going to use the up and down on the left hand side, and the menu button also acts as an enter. And we're also going to use this R letter right here, and we're going to be looking at this screen right here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it once. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the first position, and it will take you here to the screen. And if you're not at the main mileage, go ahead and use the up and down on the left hand side to go find it. Let me show you. Just like that. Just keep scrolling until you find the main mileage, just like that. And now when you get here to the main mileage, go ahead and press the R button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're gonna see UB 12 volts, and you're gonna be using the up and down on the left hand side, and you're gonna scroll down to you see service menu. Now you're gonna have to use the up and down on the right hand side to go to confirmation. Go ahead and enter on that with the menu button, and go ahead and enter again on the full service. Okay, as you can see, the service not confirmed. The reason for that is because I already finished with the resetting procedure. It won't let me reset again. But if you have not reset, then it will show that service is confirmed. So that is it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.